be a cat and it looks fun, so let's try it out. Guys, this doesn't look like me. What happened? I'm so funny now. Let's see. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna take it out. Take it out. I hear it now. I'm gonna touch your sneeze. I'm gonna sprint. Wow! To explore the house. Guys, it's a rat. 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 Ew, it's a doge. Come on, let's keep going. Let's climb up this. Another ball thing. I'm gonna climb all the way. I can't get up top. Can I jump? Because I'm gonna jump on top. It's like my normal life. Can I open this up? No. I'm gonna jump on the couch. Hopefully they can get on. Hey guys, I'm on the couch. Breaking news. Funny ear cat arrested for tax fraud. Whoa. Ooh, a teddy bear. What is a teddy bear doing on the couch? It must be like Hades or something. Ooh, a sandwich. Water. Okay, I'm gonna explore more of the house now. Whoa, it's all human. I'm gonna get all below your toes and stuff. Ah, it's a knife up there. Oh my god. Ah. Can I get up? I want to see my... Whoa. My Robloxian man. Okay. I'm gonna pee on the computer and stuff. And I'm gonna sneeze. Choo, choo, choo. And I'm gonna meow. And ask for food now. Hey man, wake up! Ow! Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope you liked it. If you did, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the... It's an ant! It's an ant! It's an ant! Ew! Did I just eat it? Did I just... I'm gonna catch it. Ah. Did I eat it? No! Okay, wait. One more thing. Guys, look. I'm not ending the video yet. Never mind. Yummy. Oh, that's where I pee. Oh. Poops. Okay. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.